look like? Which activities have, like schools, have such benefit and can be done in a way that the risk of transmission is very low?
Yeah.
And which activities, like mass gatherings, may be, in a certain sense, more optional. And so until you're widely vaccinated, those may not come back at all. But with the economy, we can bring it back. There will be a point where we have the vaccine and we're going completely back to normal. We're working closely with the vaccine companies, and they're the ones, although it's probably 18 months or so, they're the ones that can really get things back to where we're not worried about large public gatherings. It will need to be, certainly tens of billions of dollars put into this readiness, these germ games like war games that will really test out our systems and make sure that we move faster than the virus does.
Have you talked with the president about this?
I've not talked directly to the president. Our foundation is trying to be as helpful in a very constructive way as possible, and that's why I've talked to the head of the pharmaceutical companies. We've talked to a lot of the agencies, including CDC and NIH, about how we work together on the vaccine and the drugs. But the idea of big public gatherings, I do believe once we have the vaccination, then the kind of fears and the change of behavior around that, it could definitely be pretty close to where it was before this started. Mm-hmm. Awareness of this is a threat, and probably the biggest threat to kill tens of millions of people. That will be permanently embedded. I find it so disconcerting to wake up every morning and think, well, that was a strange dream I had, and then say, oh my God, yes, look, there's no traffic on the bridge, and oh yeah, my first meeting is on that computer screen, and my second meeting's on that computer screen, and and somebody's going to leave some food, but I won't see them. This is super dramatic.